A businessman was shot and killed at the bar he operated in Non-Pariel Road in Negril, Westmoreland on Wednesday night. He has been identified as 44-year-old Fabian Townsend, a resident of the community. Reports are that the police were on patrol in the area when they observed a crowd gathered at a section of the roadway. The lawmen then proceeded to make checks and later discovered Townsend lying on his back inside the bar with blood coming from his mouth and what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head and chest. He was taken to Savannah Lamar Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigations are ongoing. A man who was accused of killing a 60-year-old woman in Alexandra St. Anne had to be rescued from an angry mob who inflicted several chop wounds to his body. Police report that around 6:30 p.m. on Wednesday, the deceased Jennifer Tucker was on her farm with a relative when calls to her phone went unanswered. It is reported that when residents made checks, she was discovered with blood coming from her nose. Lawmen say the angry residents then attacked the accused and inflicted several chop wounds to his body. The police were called to the scene and the accused was rescued and taken to hospital. Investigations are ongoing. 10 people are in custody, 4 of whom are expected to be charged with various offenses following a security operation in Gregory Park, St. Catherine on Thursday morning. One man was fatally shot during a reported confrontation with the security forces. A 9mm pistol, an AK-47 rifle, a shotgun, assorted rounds of ammunition, and a bulletproof vest were seized during the operation. A constable attached to the St. Thomas Police Division was killed in a vehicular crash along Waymount Drive in St. Andrew on Wednesday. He is Constable Andre Douglas of Cedar Valley Police Station. It is reported that about 3 p.m. Douglas was riding a Jamco motorcycle along the roadway towards Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew, and upon reaching the stoplight, he was reportedly hit by a Toyota Hiace, which allegedly ran the red light.